today to share what God's love has done to me and my life. I give God the glory and gracefully thank Him for all the blessings and provision He has availed for me to make my dreams come true. I am thankful to Him for giving me a normal functioning mind and intellect engaged in a physical handicapped body. As you can see, I am physically challenged, but my disability did not hinder me from pursuing my dreams. It might have taken this long because of previous constraints, but with opening of available resources like modern technology and the ALS program of the Department of Education gave me an opportunity to pursue education and be able to obtain a diploma for a secondary curriculum. I am fully aware that I cannot do this on my own, but I am humbled and proud to say God surrounds me with loving human vessels. I call them angels. First and foremost, thanks to my loving siblings, nieces, and nephew for their unending love through moral and financial support, which made my achievement today come true. My special thanks to Veronica Rance for her untiring and selfless love and patience, for taking care of my daily needs 24/7, 365 days a year. Her dedication is greatly appreciated not only by me, but the entire family. She is a true God-sent blessing. Another person who made a difference in my life is my dear friend, Lina Castro, who was my walking feet in the process. She religiously attended the meeting with the Department of Education and lovingly delivered all the information to me. My thanks to my mentor and teacher, Ma'am Sheila Matine, who patiently tutored me through the course. She was a wonderful and helpful resource person. My parents, who I've lost years back, are surely very proud of me. I can picture them smiling up. They're saying, "Well done, my dear son." I remember my dad reiterating to each one of us that he has no worldly wealth to leave us, but to value education with no man can take away from us. To my mom and dad, thank you for the values taught and entrusted as we continue to live through those values and moral as we continue our earthly walk. To all who, in one way or the other, helped me get through this process, my heartfelt gratitude, especially the personnel of the ALS program of the Department of Education. Thank you, and more power. May God's blessing be upon you as you continue to help others achieve their dreams. To each one of you out there, young and old, follow your dreams. Don't let circumstances prevent you from attaining your goals and dreams. If there is a will, there is a way. Thank you and reign with your hearts. I love you all. Art S. O. Junior.